Hi, I'm Zaf, and in this beginner-friendly tutorial I'm going to show you how to add a countdown timer to any funnel or page, perfect for creating urgency, boosting conversions and motivating visitors to take action. And if you stick around till the end, I've got a free resource that will help you build better performing pages inside System.io. Now let's get started. Once you're logged into your System.io dashboard, then we need to go to the page we want to add our countdown timer to. So from the top we can go to sites, either sales funnels or blogs. Now I'm going to select sales funnels and I'm going to select a sales page to add this countdown timer to, and then I'm going to select one I used before called my first product. I'm just going to select that. Now I want the countdown timer to appear on my sales page here, so on the left there you can see I'll just click on it there so it's highlighted to make sure, and then from the right hand side we choose the blue button. It says edit page. This will take us into the page editor, so I'm just going to click on that. What we want to do is add our countdown timer, usually as soon as the page loads, above what's called above the fold here, so we can put it above our headline here. And in our pricing option, if we've got a pricing option we want to put it into, we can add it in there as well. From the left hand side we scroll down to the bottom and you'll see it under other there. You see countdown timer, so we click on that and then just drag it and place it where you want it. So I'm just going to put above this, add in there. Our countdown timer will open with the default settings there. You can see 9 days, 23 hours, 59 minutes and 59 seconds. To edit our countdown timer we need to actually click on it, and then this will then bring up on the left hand side here the menu for the countdown option there for the settings, and here it says it's showing as the fixed time and date option there. Inside this option under countdown type, if we click on the drop down arrow you'll see we have 4 actual options there we can select from, but only 3 are actual countdown modes. The 4th one links to your funnel level deadline rules. Okay, so let's go through each. Fixed time and date. You choose this option if you want the countdown to end on a specific date and time. So this makes it perfect for launch periods, seasonal promotions and event deadlines. You can also choose as well what you want to happen when the countdown is 0. So there at the moment you can see it's set to do nothing. Click on this drop down here. We can then select it if we want to redirect to URL, which basically just takes it to another page once that countdown is 0. And if we look at the next option below that, you'll see that is set to delay. Now this option creates a countdown that starts whenever the visitor loads the page, and you see you can also set the days, hours, minutes and seconds there. And this is ideal for evergreen offers such as your bonus when you want a bonus to expire in 15 minutes, or claim your discount within 24 hours. Now, every visitor gets the same delay, but their timer is individual to them, so it depends on when they visit the page. That's when the actual timer will then start counting down for them. Next up we have the daily countdown. You can see the default on that is set to 23 hours, 59 minutes and 59 seconds. The daily countdown resets every day at the same time. So this is best for daily deals, midnight reset offers and recurring limited time promotions, which is simple and predictable. And last of all, we've got the same as deadline funnel settings. You can see here it doesn't actually show the timer there, it's all set to 0 on this. So this isn't a new countdown mode, it's a linking option. If you set up a funnel wide deadline under your funnel settings, for example offer closes in 48 hours, then choosing this option makes your countdown timer follow the funnel's global deadline rules automatically. This ensures every page in your funnel shows the same timer, so there's no mismatch on the deadlines. This is to see a consistent experience. Now this is important important to note as well that if you haven't configured the deadline funnel settings, and this option will not work correctly. So that's why it's best to stick to the main 3 modes unless you're intentionally using a funnel level deadline. Okay, so what I'm going to do here from this, if I do it, I'm going to select the fixed date and time. So today's date, we're on the 15th of December, so I'm going to set it for 3 days, so 18th it expires, and the timer, I'm just going to put it as at 12 AM, so you can see that it's set now 2 days, 14 hours, 10 minutes, 53 seconds. We can adjust that to how we want there, and you can see here we can also adjust the font size, so if we want it bigger, and the font text size there, which pretty much does the same. And we can also select the font here, what we want to use. So at the moment it's set to use the same as the page I've got here, but we can actually click on that and then just from the drop down menu select it from there what font we want if we want to change that. And as you can see here, we can select the colour if you want to change the colour, so make it blue, which it's gone blue there on the right, you can see, or keep it as the red, which I will do there, and then the text there, what colour you want to for the days, hours, minutes and seconds there. And if you want to change that there, just click off that and I'll just keep the settings there, and then we can adjust the size and position by adjusting the margins up and down and left and right here. So what you want to do, always a tip here, is to make your countdown big, bold and visible, ideally near your countdown timer. So at the moment it's a bit small, so I'll adjust that, make it a bit bigger so you can see it there, and we'll do the text as well, so nice and big there. And if we wanted to as well, we can adjust the font there if you want it to make it a bit more bolder. Let's see, there, bold, and there you can see now it just stands out there. If I scroll down on my page here, you see you got pricing there. We could actually put one up there if you wanted one there as well, but I'm just going to leave that as it is there. So once we've got it how we want it looking, just click on the save option here top right, and then we can preview it by clicking this preview option here. See what that looks like. You can see the timer counting down now there. Now there's a couple of things we need to make sure we check. So if you're using the fixed time deadline and you want to check that, does this show correctly? And for the daily timer, does the daily timer reset at the right time? And also don't forget to check, does the delay timer restart correctly when you refresh the page? The same as deadline funnel settings match your funnel rules, so you need to make sure you test everything before you actually launch your product to make sure there's no unwanted surprises there. Some best practices for higher conversions include having the timer above your main call to action, so that could be just above your headline, or like I said in the pricing option there. Make sure also that you use honest real deadlines and not to use fake scarcity, because this will have an effect down the line. Combine with your bonuses or limited time pricing, and keep text near the timer simple and direct. So for example, you could put something like offer ends soon, don't miss out, and that's it. So you now know exactly how to add and configure countdown timers in System.io, including how each mode works and when to use them for maximum effect. Now, as promised, I've got a free resource for you, my System.io starter kit. Inside you'll get my 10-minute landing page blueprint and a ready to use landing page template that you can copy straight into your System.io account. You'll find the link right below this video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.